Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to stake Toncoins in the Tonkeeper Wallet. Alright, so a quick one, come over here and then open up your Tonkeeper Wallet. So on the interface, it will look like this. So as you can see here, you have around 6 options. First one is send, receive, scan, swap, buy and sell, and the last one is stake. So you're focusing on this last option which says stake. So click on that last option. And as you can see, you have a lot of staking options. So for those who don't understand the staking option, when you stake your Ton coins, you'll be accumulating it daily. So this means we have 3 staking options. The first one is a Ton staker, and it will give you a minimum of 2.5% daily. Second one is the Ton Wells, and it gives you 2.48% daily. Last one is a Ton Nominators, and it gives you 1.9% daily. So you choose according to what you prefer. So for this case, I would advise you to choose this one over here. So you click on the ton makers and make sure that you have some ton that you're going to be staking. So I'm assuming I'm having like say I'm having like 5 ton. Okay, if you want, you click on this add button over here and then you start staking. So for this case, there's no ton over here, but that's the procedure, guys. And I hope you've really found value in this video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.